YouTube channel, Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this video, I am going to discuss about destructors in Python. The last video we are completing constructors in Python. In this video, we are demonstrating the destructors in Python. So now what is destructor? Destructor means destroy the object. Destructor means, what is destructor? General meaning, destruction means destroy or delete. Destroy or delete. That's the first one, very important general topic only. General meaning of the destruction is destroy. Destroy means deletion, delete, or completely delete from the memory. It's a complete destroy. In Python, destruction means destroy the object. We are creating the object. We are creating the object by the constructor. We want to create after creation, the end of the program to destroy all the objects. So the destructors are called automatically when the object gets destroyed. Okay, the first point is destructors. Destructors are called when an object gets destroyed. When an object gets destroyed, automatically called. Clear? Next one, in Python, destructors not needed. Please be important. This is important. In Python, destructors are not needed. Like other programming language, not needed as much needed in C++ or Java. In C++, Java, destructors are needed. But here, destructors are not needed because Python has a garbage collector, to destroy that handles destroy memory management, that destroy all the objects. Now that handles memory management automatically. That means automatically. That is in Python, all the objects are destroyed automatically. All the objects are destroyed automatically end of the program. No needed, but we are implementing the destructors. Now, destructor one is important. The underscore del method. The underscore del method is destructor method in Python. In destructor method, underscore del underscore method is the destructor method. Destructor method in Python. Clear, guys? Now, this method is automatically executed. This method is automatically executed. No need of explicit calling. Automatically executed. Okay. When an object is destroyed. When an object is destroyed. Okay. Next one. Syntax of this function is syntax of the destructor function is the syntax of destructor creation. Destructor declaration is syntax is a del underscore self colon body of the destructor. Here the init function is automatically executed the body of the constructor. Here dest underscore del underscore this function is called as a destructor function. This function is automatically, the body of this function is automatically whenever you are destroy the object. For example one, destroy. For example, we are creating a class, employee class. For example, this is employee class. The body of the employee class is def underscore init underscore underscore of cell. This is a constructor. For example, on small message is employee created, employee object created, employee object is created, employee object is created. This is a small message. So this is called as a class employee. Okay, one small function. This function is completely is called as a constructor function. This function is automatically executed when the object is created. And one more object, one more function, df underscore underscore del underscore underscore of cell. This method is automatically executed when the object is destroyed. Employee object. Okay, destructor function called employee object deleted. Employee object is deleted. The construction is by using the init, deletion by using the del. Clear this up, very important. Now here execute simple program by using the underscore underscore. This is employee class. Now here e1 equal to employee. Now here we are creating a object. Automatically this function is executed. So run this module. Now employee object is created. This is not executed. Because you are not calling explicitly, you are not calling automatically executed. Now we are creating del e1. Whenever the object is del means del is a keyword. This keyword is used to delete the object, either general object or the particular user defined object. If you want to delete, for example, creating one object a equal to 5. Now here a is a integer class object. A is a object of the integer class. So because the type of a is equal to the type of a is integer class. Here the class is integer. The type of a is okay. Now the print of a, the value is 5. We want to delete it. DLA object is deleted from the memory. We want to print of a. No, here a is not defined because a is deleted from the memory. Now by using the del keyword, a del keyword is used to destroy the object from the memory. Whenever the destroy object from the memory, this function is executed. This method is executed. The body of the method is executed. Employee object is deleted. Now run this object. Okay, employee object is created. Employee object is deleted. This statement is executed. Okay, automatically call the init function. The body of the init function is executed. Here the body of the init function is employee object created. And this statement is executed. After execution of this statement, the employee object is deleted. If you want to creating the more number of objects, for example, E2 equal to employee. Okay, second object is created. E3 equal to employee. Okay, now we are creating 3 objects. Now the destroying also 3 objects. del E2. Okay, del E3. Third object also deleted. Now all these statements are executed. Constructors 3 times and the destructor also 3 times. In Python, the destructor method is implemented by using the underscore del underscore. This is a inbuilt method. And del is a inbuilt method. This is the del is a inbuilt method. Okay, the del, the underscore del underscore is a built-in method. We are not creating. This method is automatically coming from along with the Python software. Now run this object. So creating an employee class with one constructor, with one destructor. Here no parameterized destructor with parameterized destructor, default destructor. Only one destructor, that is the default del underscore function. Now we can run the module. Okay, the first 3 statements are creating. Okay, and the last 3 statements are destroying. Destroy means delete. E1 object deleted, E2 object is deleted, E3 object is deleted. Whenever del E3 is executed, the body of the del function is executed. Whenever del E2 is executed, the body of the del is executed. Whenever del E1 is executed, automatically executed, internally executed. Not explicit calling. Explicit calling means E1 dot underscore del underscore. This is explicit calling. No need of explicit calling. No, not needed this phrase. No need this statement. Because automatically Whenever the del is executed, automatically this method is calling. Okay, guys, are clear? Destructors in Python. Other programming languages are different. In C++, total concept is different. Destroy, but the concept is different. Class name, destructor name same as the class name. But before you are using the one tilde operator, that is completely different. For example, you want to see that this also in C++, destructors are implemented. In C++, it is a class. Class name is employee. Okay, the beginning of the class and this is the end of the class. We want to use the destructor. This is the destructor. Till employee. This is the destructor method. Destructor method in C++. In C++, destructors are implemented. This is the same name. The destructor function name, same name as the class name. And before you are using the tilde symbol. But here, destructor functions are implemented by using the inbuilt method, that is the __ del __. Total concepts are different. Constructors and destructors are different from the other programming language. This is the destructors in Python. Okay, guys, clear all of you. Thanks for watching this video.